one form of establishing distance. Okay, so let's say we take the points A and B up here with coordinates lowercase a and lowercase b. Okay, so the distance between these points is just this shortest segment that connects the two of them. Okay, if you are notating the distance, you can do one of two things. You can either use d, representing distance, and then the coordinates that you're measuring between. Okay, so d parentheses a comma b, close the parentheses. That's one way to denote a distance. But the most common way is just to pick the 2 points that you're measuring between. Leave it with no symbols above it. Okay? If you just see the 2 points, that represents a distance. It's not a segment or a line or a ray. It's a distance. Okay? And there's 2 different ways that we're going to measure distance. We're going to measure it on a number line, so a single dimension, and then we're going to measure it along a coordinate plane, along 2 dimensions. So when we're measuring a distance on a number line, it's a real simple calculation. The calculation is that the distance is equal to the absolute value of the difference of coordinates. It doesn't matter which direction those coordinates are represented. Okay, so you have both of these potential forms. So AB is equal to the absolute value of coordinate A minus coordinate B, or AB is equal to absolute value of coordinate B minus coordinate A. And either of these will yield the same value. Both of them are the distance. Okay, so if we were to take this example here, okay, if you wanted to find the distance xy, wherein the coordinate of x is -5 and the coordinate for y is 18, the way that you can find that is you simply solve the equation. So the distance xy is equal to absolute value of the difference of their coordinates. So either -5 minus 18, which would then give you absolute value of -23, which is equal to 23. Or you could have solved it by putting the coordinates in the other direction. Again, it doesn't matter. So the absolute value of the difference of 18 minus a -5, when you subtract, it's equivalent to adding the opposite. So you get absolute value of 23, which also equals 23.